children, today let's start with chapter number 15, light and shadow. So in this chapter, we will study about light and shadow. We see variety of objects around us. How do we see these objects? It is because light enables us to see objects. During daytime, light from sun enables to see object, and in night, darkness we need tube light, torch, candle to see the things around. What are the sources of light? Sun and star. These are the natural sources. If we talk about lamp, candle, birds, tube lights, earth lamp, lantern, LED, they क्या हैं? ये सारे आपके artificial source of light हैं. So let's study about the luminous object and non-luminous object. What are luminous objects? The object which have their own light, जिनकी अपनी light होती है, उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Luminous object. Like light, candle, object which do not produce their own light, they are called non-luminous object. Like wood, plastic, metal. और जो moon है, it is also the non-luminous object because it does not have light. क्योंकि इसके पास अपनी light नहीं है. Now let's study the different types of object. We have different types of object. We have divided into three: opaque, transparent, and translucent. Opaque object क्या होता है? That do not allow light to pass around them. When light falls on them, वो एक dark shadow form करते हैं. Like we have wood, stone, and human body. Now translucent, they allow only some amount of light to pass through them, partially. जैसे butter, paper, glaze हो गया. Transparent जो allow करते हैं light to pass through them, जैसे glass हो गया आपका. Right? Now formation of shadow. How is shadow formed? Now light travel. देखो जो light है वो एक straight line में travel करते हैं. अगर object path में आता है light के, तो what happen? Dark region is found behind the object and light cannot pass through the opaque object. और जो darkness region है वो क्या form करता है? Shadow. और जो size होता है shadow का वो change करता है with the direction and distance of the source of light. The shadow are long in the morning and in evening the sunlight falls slanting way. The size of shadow changes with the direction. जैसे जैसे आपका direction और distance change होगा तो जो size है shadow का वो भी change हो जाएगा. Right? Then opaque object form dark shadow और translucent कैसी बनाते हैं? Faint और transparent कोई भी shadow form नहीं करते. Now nature of shadow. Shadows are always formed opposite to the light source. भाई जो light source है उसके हमेशा opposite बनेगा. Size of the opaque object. Size of the shadow also depends upon the size, distance between the object and source. Now we have eclipse. What is eclipse? An eclipse is an shadow formed in a space. During course of an eclipse, the sun or moon remain invisible for a short period of time. Right? The sun is a star and is fixed that revolve around the sun while rotating on its axis. Moon is a satellite of the earth जो revolve करती है around the earth. Sometimes the revolving around the moon and earth क्या होता है? So fall करती है straight line में और eclipse form होता है. We have two types, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse sun का होता है, lunar moon का होता है. Now what is solar eclipse? It occurs when the moon comes in between. जब moon sun और earth के बीच में आ जाता है तो क्या होता है आपका solar eclipse. Moon क्या करता है? Cast करता है and result in blocking sunlight. People living in the shadowed part of the earth cannot see the sun. Right? Then we have lunar eclipse. It occurs on the full moon night when the earth comes between sun and moon. और जो shadow है earth की वो fall करती है moon पे और वो क्या prevent करती है? Sunlight from reaching it. And people of the earth cannot see the moon partially or wholly. Right? Then solar eclipse occur less frequently as compared to lunar eclipse. Right? Heavenly bodies or other जो earth and moon है they overshadow each other और जो planet Jupiter है वो block करता है light from its moon on some occasion. Now we have completed the chapter. Let's move to the exercise now. Now take the correct option. And dash is a shadow formed in a space, an eclipse. The dash is a star, sun is a star. Dash objects had their own light. कौन से object होते हैं? Luminous. Dash object do not allow light to pass through them. Opaque होते हैं. Now fill in the blanks. Dash occurs when the moon comes between sun and earth. क्या occur होता है? जब moon जो है वो sun और earth के बीच में आ जाता है तो क्या occur करता है? Solar eclipse. Dash occurs on a full moon night. डैश रिवॉल्व अराउंड द सन. कौन रिवॉल्व करता अराउंड द सन? अर्थ. The dash is the satellite of Earth, moon. Dash is formed always at opposite direction. क्या form होता है opposite direction में? Shadow. Now write T for true and F for false statement. Shadows are formed in opposite direction. It's true. LED bulbs are the natural source of light. False. Sun and star are natural source of light. It's true. Transparent objects do not form shadow. It's true. Shadow form नहीं होती है. Now give example of each one of the following. आपको example देने हैं. Now luminous object जिनकी अपनी light होती है, ठीक है? वो कौन सा object होता है? Luminous, जैसे sun. And candle. Then we have non-luminous object जिनकी अपनी लाइट नहीं होती है. मून सन की लाइट लेता है. और बुक, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं आप. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट दैट आपका वुड और स्नो, वुड और स्टोन. देन वी हैव ट्रांसपेरेंट, जो ट्रांसपेरेंट से ग्लास हो गया. And clean water. Now here you have to write the difference of both this question. Next is answer the following question. How are shadow form? आपको बताना है shadow कैसे form होती है. Now list the factors on which formation of a shadow depends. I have told you about the 3 factors that you can write here. Describe the formation of lunar eclipse. ठीक है. Now why should we look at the solar eclipse with naked? Why we should not see the look at the solar eclipse with naked eyes? हमें क्यों नहीं देखना चाहिए naked eyes से, वो आपको बता. Right, now we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.